When we talk about Microsoft, the first thing which comes in our mind is Bill Gates. Bill Gates has been in the list of most richest persons from past as many years as we can remember. Microsoft was founded by Bill Gates along with Paul Allen in 1975. But today we are not going to talk about how Microsoft was founded or what Microsoft has done. Today we are going to talk about the biggest mistakes which Microsoft made, which cost it a lot. Yes, now also is Microsoft a big thing, but it would have been much bigger if it hadn't made such mistakes. Let's talk about some of those mistakes. Until then, like the video and subscribe the channel. Windows had been the greatest breakthrough for the Microsoft, and till date there is no near competition for Windows in market. You must all remember that in all Windows OS, a Microsoft's own browser, Internet Explorer, came pre-installed. Internet Explorer was very slow and laggy, and users were not quite happy with that. So most of the users of Internet shifted to other browsers. On the other hand, browsers like Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera were far better than Internet Explorer. So lot of Internet users started shifting on to other browsers. But Microsoft didn't felt urgency about resolving issues of Internet Explorer. Most of the other browsers came with Google's default search engine, which made Google #1 search engine in world. Microsoft also launched their search engine named Bing, but they took quite too long to launch it. And by the time Google had done its destruction. And if the users had been using Internet Explorer, then Microsoft's Bing could have made its place. And in this way, Microsoft lost its battle of browser and search engine to Google. The release of Apple iPhone revolutionized the mobile phone world, and following that, Google made a Linux based operating system for mobiles. And this time also Microsoft got late to launch its first Windows phone. And by the time Microsoft launched its first Windows phone, most of the developers were developing apps for Android. But still, people showed their faith in Microsoft. Microsoft's Windows phones were made by Nokia, whereas Android could be used by any mobile company for free of cost, which gave Android an edge over Microsoft's Windows. But anyhow, Windows phones did quite well in market, but it failed to keep it for long, and slowly Windows phones started fading off from mobile phones market. And slowly Microsoft lost its battle of Windows operating system for mobiles to Android. If Microsoft had not done these mistakes, then we could not even imagine that at what level Microsoft could have been by now. For more such news and information, please subscribe our channel cause your appreciation matters to us, and press that bell icon for notifications.